Hello everybody, I'm Elizaveta from Fethe. Today I will tell you the secrets of processing pockets in jackets and trench coat by Max Mara. For demonstration I take contrasting fabrics. It is necessary to fix the location of the pocket. Secret 1. The pocket should be outlined with temporary stitches. Secret 2. Position the stabilizer along the pocket. The second part is also from the main material. I also glue the stabilizer to this part. Secret 3. If there is a pattern on the fabric, then I outline the main line on the auxiliary part. Secret 4. No pencils and markers, only tailor's chalk or swab without cream. I draw with a pencil so you can see. I made a rectangle. I combine the rectangle with the markup on the main part. Secret 5. Do not start sewing from a corner. We must start from the center. I cut between the line. Secret 6. We need to remove the stabilizer from the seam allowance. Attention! Don't touch the stabilizer under the line. Secret 7. Lay out the seam allowances of this seam in different directions. Secret 8. Use a line. Secret 9. Tuck the seam allowances into the edging. I fasten with temporary stitches. Secret 10. Fix the finished elements in the design position. I fix the wrap. Secret 11. Remove excess stabilizer. I turn the main part. I combine the cut of the auxiliary part. I sew along the cut. The width of the seam is 1 cm. I cut off the excess seam allowance, 4 mm. I turn out the details. I sew the second line. The width of the seam is 5 mm. Now we need to fix all the details. Secret 12. We have to iron carefully, preferably contactless. Secret 13. It is necessary to use felt during ironing. Felt makes a flat surface. I work with seam. Last line. Quality checking. Everything okay. I remove temporary stitches. Let's see what happened. See how the lines are evenly distributed. 3-3-2, and if you do classic processing, then there will be 2-4-2 and a lot of stabilizer. The description contains links to the shop with handicraft. By buying in these stores, you are giving jobs to Turkish women. Subscribe channel, like this video, share this video. All the best for your sewing. Bye bye.